Alright, this is numbers 1 through 6 from your Section 6.6 homework worksheet. These approximate or replicate, mirror what you'll actually see on an exam, meaning that it's multiple choice. So, first thing, probability of more than 48 correct answers. Alright, more than 48. I want to write that as an inequality. X is greater than, more than 45. And once again, as I did in the previous YouTube video, I'm going to mark 45. And where I put it on the bell curve doesn't make much of a difference. It's just for a starting point. I'm going to subtract 5/10 from 45, 44.5. And continuity correction tells me to add 5/10, 45.5. We can figure this out. Alright, greater than 45. So I know I'm going to my right now. The idea is, do I start here at 44.5 and go to my right, or start at 45.5 and go to my right? Well, greater than 45 does not include 45, so I very well can't start here because I would go right over the 45. I've got to start at 45.5, go to my right. So I'm looking at this area right here. So this is my lower bound, and this is my upper bound or upper limit, whichever you want to call it. Now the question is, match this up with the correct answer. So it's the area to the right of 45.5. So there we are, to the right of 45.5. And that's why it's the letter C, to the right of 45.5. Greater than, more than. Number 2, fewer than 33 Democrats. So I want to write this as an inequality. X is less than 33. And once again, where I put my 33 doesn't make much of a difference as long as I'm not. Here again, I'm not putting it on my horizontal axis here. I'm not using any whole numbers for a lower bound or upper bound. So subtracting 5/10 from 33, I get 32.5, and then adding 5/10 to 33, I'll get 33.5. Less than 33, so I'm going to my left. And the question is, do I start at 33.5 and go to my left, or start at 32.5? Well, the question I have to ask myself is, does less than 33 include 33? No, it doesn't. All right, so I got to start here and go to my left. So this is my lower limit, negative E99, and this is my upper limit, or upper bound. All right. So it looks like it's the area to the left of 32.5, the area to the left of 32.5, the area to the left of 32.5. Letter B. Okay. Number 3, probability of at least 48. At least 48 is 48 and more. So this is greater than or equal to 48, at least 48. X is less than or equal to. At least 48 is 48, 49, 50, and so forth. So drawing a vertical line here at 48, and then using continuity correction, subtracting 5/10. I can write this, get this a little higher. 47.5, and to the right, 48.5. Alright, greater than or equal to 48 includes, first of all, greater than means I'm going to my right. I'm getting larger. My numbers are getting larger. Less than or equal to 48 includes 48. So I very well can't start here and go to my left, because I wouldn't include 48. I've got to start at 47.5 and go to my right if I want to include 48. So I'm looking at all this area here. This is my lower limit, or lower bound, and I'm going all the way out to E99, my upper. Alright, so to the right of 47.5, to the right of 47.5, there it is right here. Alright, to the right of 47.5, letter D. Number 4, probability, exactly. These are the easy ones. X is equal to 47. Exactly. All right. And draw a vertical line. If I can do a better job than that, I'm going to say that's 47. I should have put it here. And subtracting 5/10, 46.5, and then adding 5/10, 47.5, and the exactlies are the easiest ones. Everything between 46.5 and 47.5. The area in between 46.5 and 47.5, letter D. Number 5, probability of no more than 75. 75 is good, but 76 is not, 77 is not. So, as an inequality, no more than 75 is X is less than or equal to 75. 75 is good, but 76 is not. Alright, so here's my vertical line. I should be marking this as 75. Subtracting 5/10, 74.5, and then adding 5/10, 75.5. Let me just slide this up a little bit. 75.5. Alright, so I know I'm going to my left. Alright, the question is, do I start at 75.5, go to my left, or start at 74.5 and go to my left? Well, less than or equal to 75 includes 75. So I can't very well start here and go to my left because I wouldn't include 75. I've got to start to the right of 75.5. I've got to start here. Alright, so this is going to be my upper. I'm talking about all this area in between here. Alright, so I'm starting here and going all the way to my left. So this would be my lower bound, negative E99, and this is my upper bound. So it's everything to the left of 75.5. Everything to the left of 75.5. You can see it right here, the area to the left of 75.5. Letter A. And number 6, I believe this is the last one here. This is one of the weird ones, between 18 and 45 inclusive. So as an inequality, it's everything between 18 and 45. Alright, so X is 18 is less than or equal to X, which in turn is less than or equal to 45. So on the low end here, I'm going to mark my 18. This time I did it correctly, put the 18 right. Subtract 5/10, add 5/10, but you get the idea what's going to happen here. And on this upper end, I'm going to put my 45. Once again, subtract 5/10, 44.5, and add 5/10, 45.5. And this is pretty easy. Inclusive between 18 and 45 includes 18 and includes 45. So I got to start here at 17.5 and go all the way out to 45.5. This is my lower limit or lower bound, as the calculator calls it, and this is my upper bound. Everything from 17.5 all the way out to 45.5. So between 17.5 and 45.5, it looks like a letter C to me. So hopefully that works out pretty good.